I said I was going to do a series of short videos to show you how you can practice different postures and help to reduce blood pressure. So this is the first one. This is Supta Padangusthasana, which is the lying down foot-toe pose, or it's really a hamstring stretch. The first thing that you're going to do is I'm going to use this strap, which I was very kindly given at the Yoga Fest recently, and I'm going to recommend that you do you use a strap or a belt or something. Just lie back and stretch out the legs and lie down for a moment. Take a few breaths and focus on the exhalation. You're going to focus on the exhalation throughout. And then when you're ready, bring the feet together, push the heels away. You want to stretch the biggest tendon in the body, the Achilles tendon, and you also want to get a stretch at the back of the thighs, so you're opening the area where the biggest blood vessels flow up and down the backs of the legs, the arteries and so on. And when you relax again, that stretch, the hamstrings can get very tight. If you're sitting or if you're driving, or even if you're doing repetitive sports. So another breath or two here. And then exhale and bring the right knee in towards the chest. Give it a hug. If you find it difficult to keep the left leg straight, you can bend the left knee and put the foot on the floor. Rock side to side, feel into the hip flexors, and then just stretch that leg up towards the ceiling. You can circle the ankle a couple of times. Focus on the exhalation. Feel the stretch. If it's too much just to have the leg there, you can hold on to the back of the leg. And if you feel like straightening that left leg a bit, then do so. Since you're stretching the back of the leg from the back of the heel all the way to the buttock, you can also extend that stretch so that you really feel that you're stretching the fascia by lifting the head and chest up. And again, if you want to use a belt or a resistance band, anything really, then you'll bring the arms into play too, so you can use the arms to pull a little bit. Relax the head and chest back on the floor. And release. Release the leg down, pause between the two sides. See how that opening at the back of the leg now feels with the circulation. If you can open the blood vessels, then you can allow them to relax a bit, and that in turn leads to slightly lowering the blood pressure. Again, when you're ready, bring the legs together, push the heels away, lengthen the back of the neck. Draw the shoulder blades close together behind the back. Inhale, exhale, left knee in. Again, you might want to bend the opposite leg. Rock side to side slightly. And then extend the leg up towards the ceiling. Obviously, if you need to hold on from the beginning, do so. Rotate the ankle a bit. Push the heel away, get that stretch all the way along the leg. Hold on to the leg if you want, and you can visualize sending warm or even cool energy, green or blue energy to the back of the leg, or white light as you exhale. And you can walk up the leg, straighten that other leg a bit if that feels good. Use your belt if you want to. And I just like hanging out in this pose. Obviously you can stay here for longer, but really focus on the exhalation. When you're ready, bend the leg and release. Roll over to your side and push up to sitting. I hope that's helpful.